You can customize your box office and event pages to represent your brand and use it just like a website. Your Ticket Tailor box office is where all of your organization's events will be listed. Think of it like your online ticket shop your customers can visit. Whether you're running a family farm attraction, a cutting-edge gallery, or putting on show-stopping live events, you can customize a stunning online home for your event's brand in minutes. To get started, open the Settings section of your dashboard and choose Box Office Design to load the editor. After opening the editor, you'll land on the Box Office tab. This is where you can pick the overall theme and style for your listings and event pages. Choose from a preset theme by scrolling through the designs using the arrows. Click on one you like to try it out. If you need more room on your screen, you can use the arrow to hide or reveal the editor, so you can really explore your design. Take your customization a step further and expand the drop-down called Customize Styles to add your own brand colors and choose from a list of fonts. Use the Choose Image button to add a logo. Use the checkboxes to choose if you want to display a link to your store or a link to contact you, and type what you want them to say. If you want to add another link to your event page, for example, back to your website homepage, tick the box called Show Custom Link and add your link. Once you're happy with the theme and brand of your box office, you can start to choose the look of your listing page. This is the page which shows all of your upcoming events. Select the Listings page tab in the editor. If you want to add an extra picture or title and description to the top of your listings page, click the Enable Header Banner checkbox. Use the arrows to choose a layout for your header banner. Add your optional header text and description. Upload or choose a picture, the Choose Image button. To make it accessible, describe your header image with alt text. Next, choose the layout of your events. Now, we're on to our event pages. Use the arrows to choose a layout for your event image and title. Your event pages contain all of the information you added when you created your events. So if you want to update the event page header image, description, tickets, or any other settings, you need to do this from the event itself and not from the box office design editor. When you're happy with the customization of your box office, click Publish Changes to save your customization. Your box office will now reflect your brand to all of your ticket buyers.